You're on.
Okay. Alright, this is our new reset. SR6. Runs on the 22 volt platform. Alright, it's a base compared to the one you're used to. Easier insertion, alright, instead of the fiddling around before. A cute little lever here. In we go. Nice and easy. Real simple like. See how easy it's falling into place right now? as you do with the, there we go, all the way. Okay. What else is cool about this is you can move this in and out. So if you've got some different options there to push it through. So you'll see you've got little dips in there, and those are the different movements in and out you can go. All right, in case you want to maybe use different parts of the blade. Cool little belt loop, so you can just hang out while you're not using it. All right, these are all the cool features. But the biggest thing you'll find is its power. So there was a Milwaukee that was on the market in the emergency services for about 3 years and pretty much dominated it. So if anyone needed to get cut out or anything, they would go with this Milwaukee version and they'll win. Okay, this is our competition to that. And so now you put that, what used to dominate the emergency market, that Milwaukee, up against ours, and ours wins every time. So you'll notice the difference from the, is it the Makita that do you have a Makita reset?
Makita, yeah.
Okay. Just you wait. All right, so are we just going, we'll just go in between?
Sure.
Want to do that?
Or off the end.
Off the end?
Yeah.
All right, you ready? Wait. Safety first. Earbuds in. All right. Here we go. You want to give it a try?
Sure.
All right. Let's do this.
I don't have the safety.
Here, put this on. Put these in. Nice.